And yeah, when you're replacing filters, always turn it off. You don't want the power to be on and the fan to come on, cause problems to your fingers, suck in dirty air while you're replacing filters. This is your filter axis. I already undid the screws. Oh no, what happened here? Filter collapsed. That sucks. Just wondering if something is going on in here because the unit is off. Ah, okay. Looks like it's running. Okay, this is pretty clean. I don't know if you can see this. Check the drain pan. Check the motor. It's all pretty clean. Replace your filters. Just put them in. Make sure the arrow is facing the direction of the airflow. And these ones are a little bit too big. That's what I don't like about like these custom sizes. This is 20 by 35. And then they usually get a little bit too big. And then you have to like squeeze them in. All right, filters changed. Take a nice big marker like this one. Just write the date. Today. There we go. The initials, so everybody knows you were here. Oh yeah, let's go. And obviously secure the panel. Put the panel back in place. Secure it. And turn the unit back on.